97 Massey Furguson diesel. 25 degrees out here. Hasn't started in, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. We'll see what she does. Got to glow her a couple times. She usually fires after about 3 glows. Got to glow for about 10 seconds a time. Round 2. It's freezing out here. Gotta try her one more time, boys and girls, for those of you politically correct folks out there. Come on, girl. Gotta get her inside before the snowstorm tonight. That's about 1 cylinder right there. Oh, 2's coming in. All right. There she is. There she is.